Yes, sir.
I tongue in argument with them and
I can't see that tongue of a meeting. I mean, in a tongue thing.
brother, no that me say, man.
So normally, sir.
I want like me a list, though. That me say, brother.
So me ask a pussy old boy a face to you. So I ask you a question.
Man, nah eat like how you eat.
Me no eat, man. Me reverse again. Me no eat.
How are you use liquid, no tongue?
Yes, then me ask you, then you know you got tongue nothing else.
Me no know that, brother.
So you know eat ice cream then.
Left that alone.
No, I'm not left alone, man. Talk to me, I tongue have work this. It's a serious factor and truth, man.
Tongue have to work there, so cause
Yes.
ice cream make for eat.
Okay. But the other partner, let me you tongue with.
Brother, you a girl?